Happy Monday morning to you folks. We're starting the week off with a bang. Markets getting hit big time. A lot of fears around the continued spread of this Omicron variant, putting a lot of pressure on the markets. We had a down week last week, down yet again this morning. Dow Jones down over 400 points heading into the open. We've got the S&Ps down 60 points heading into the open. That's about a 1.25% move to the downside, so a lot of pressure. We're also seeing pressure, big pressure in the oil market. Oil down 5% this morning, trading at $67 a barrel in WTI. So a lot of volatility. It's a holiday week. Markets are going to be closed Friday in observation of Christmas. So you've got 4 trading days this week to get in there and trade that price action. And everybody else is thinking the same thing. So you could see a lot of volatility over these next 4 days as things start to play out. We've also got some back and forth on President Biden's big infrastructure package and the ability or inability to get that passed. There's just a lot going on, a lot of headline risks. So it's going to be a crazy week. Only 4 trading days left in this week. Again, closed on Friday. Let's get in there, trade some price action today, have a little bit of fun. I'll see you folks again tomorrow morning.